It is possible for our body to grow younger. A younger body is a body that has broken down body tissue and then regenerated. The key to developing or maintaining a young body is to keep it in a constant state of regeneration. The first step is regular exercise. Once cells are broken down through exercise, the body must grow new cells to replace them. The second step is to give your body the building blocks it needs to make those cells. Performing strenuous exercise without eating a nutrient-rich diet will actually speed degeneration of the cells and aging. Some great cell-regenerating foods would be clean meats, sprouted nuts and seeds, healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, probiotic-rich foods, and large quantities of nutrient-rich organic vegetables and fruits. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.